Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to use Windows Taskbar as any web browser's URL typing bar. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you can see here, you can see the Windows Taskbar. As you can see below, this is a Windows Taskbar, but there is nowhere you can type any web browser URL typing bar just like you used to type in the web browser. As you can see, this area you can see is a URL typing bar, as you can see here. So how you can get this URL typing bar on your Windows Taskbar? So for this, what you need to do, just place the cursor or the arrow and just right click, and you can see here above toolbars. Now you can see your address, just click on it. Now it will create a URL typing bar in your Windows Taskbar. So let's try to open any websites. So once you hit enter on your computer keyboard, it will open the website on the respective web browser. So you can see here, so in this way you can use your Windows Taskbar as any web browser URL typing bar. As exactly you can see here, this one is called the web browser's URL typing bar. So similarly, you can get the same address bar in the Windows Taskbar very easily. So if you're in the need of such web browser URL typing bar on your Windows Taskbar, then these tricks will gonna help you a lot to access directly any websites from your Windows Taskbar. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then try it out today. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.